day. Let me show you what happens. The cushion sits on top of here, and that's our storage. When it's down, it looks like that. But when you've got somebody sitting on it and you need to get something out, we have to move everything over there. We can make this easier. So my idea is to drop the front out here. Now I've had a quick look. If I show you here, it looks doable. I'm going to move that strut to the side, make another one, put him over here. I'm going to cut this panel out, put a hinge on the bottom, a catch on the top, and strengthen it with a couple of struts across it. And that, my friends, is going to be it. This one's for transit, so when it's in the upright position, that clips up. When you're driving, that's locked in. Nothing's going to fall out of there. When you, hang on a minute, excuse me mister, I've got to turn you down. So when you're travelling, you have the internal latch on. When you get to where you're camping, blah blah blah, take it off. It's not going to go anywhere because it's on latches. And when you want to get into the next compartment, nobody has to stand up. Very good. And as usual, inspected by Kira. Have we done a good job, Kira? Have we done a good job? I think that's a yes. Quite glad we finished that when we did, aren't you, Kira? I mean, just look, it's nice and sunny, but it's blowing a gale out there.
Very good.